Hi, I am Miss Lily from Lily's Music, doing a tutorial over excerpt number 4 from TMEA Region 29 Philharmonic Orchestra Cello Auditions. Right off the bat, we have B flat, everything else is natural, and we start with an 8th rest. So we're going to go like this in 3/4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. The next part has slurs, so it's going to go down bow, up bow, up bow, up bow. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. Right there, make sure that you do a retake. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and we're at 73 now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. There, that slur goes right into a down bow and you do a retake. So starting at 73 again, you're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, retake, 2 and 3 and 1, retake, retake, and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and slowly. When you get to the soli, there before 81, it starts on an up bow, so it's going to go and 3, and I recommend going up. If you want to stay in that first position, just know you are going to have to switch strings. An extension for at 81 for G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, open A, G sharp. To avoid that, I would just recommend going into second position there. There on that last line, you have a triplet, triplet, E. Some people's music has an alto clef. It just looks like it was just stuck there. I looked back at the score and it's a G sharp. So for that measure, second to the last measure, it's B natural, A, G sharp quarter note, and then you keep that triplet with the B, C sharp, B, A. Hopefully this helps. Let me know. Be very aware of what you're counting and the number of rests in between. It is in 3/4 and it goes kind of quickly, but those 16th notes, just relaxed bowing on those and you'll be set. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.